Guys, what's going on? So I am working on the 2027 GSXR 1000, and as you can see, I've got this TST relay installed. This is a 2-pin relay installed in the harness, just plugs right in. And this is an adjustable relay with the little adjustment guy right there where that blue square is. Now, the reason for that is I have installed some hot bodies flush mount front blinkers, and out back we're rocking that New Rage tail tidy. Well, when you do that, even though those lights up there and those lights back there are LED, the factory relay, which it just doesn't work. So you've got to get one of these TST relays, and when you do that, now your blinkers work. So anyway, I have not made any adjustments to that relay. That is just how it came stock. Oh, one other thing, if you're worried about being able to use your hazards, yes, the hazards will still work with the 2-pin. And there you go, guys. There is the part number. It is RLY G2 from TST. This is that factory relay. Let's see, it's a 3-pin. So now all we need to do to complete this installation is to remove the rubber mount off of the old relay. It just slides right off. Put it on the new relay, the body, and then take this, pop that back in, put it back in the bike, mounts as stock, and you're done. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Take care.